so scared. I'm legit so scared. The gym is so hot. Guys, ano mo na? Go. Ginigay. Without me, I'm at the gym. I'm at the gym. Now such a mean, but let's say a gym. Let's get these bodies. Who said we are tired? Because what does she mean? She's all the way in Bryanston. All the way in Bryanston. Like doing that. But let's do something. What are you doing this week? This weekend? Or like during the week? Some just your craving coffee that's like Sibe abokyao. Let's January 27 sit on. Net kanjani puton. We understand that. Nje standard procedure ke leyo. Yabo leyo ngitshela yona. Ovi. Nje. IG. Hello, lovey, how are you? Guys, I'm so annoyed. Like, I'm so annoyed. Something fucked with my gym session, and I'm so I'm sad. Not me thinking she's leaving the country. Yeah, because no, I'm not at the airport. You guys think I'm at the airport? I'm at the gym. I'm definitely at the gym. I'm definitely at the gym, guys. Like, I've been gymming, Shem. I just don't post about it on my on my public stories. Leg day, or definitely it was leg day, guys, until motherfucking nature called. Until nature called. And I just don't understand why as women we have to deal with shit like that. I just don't get it. Because it's just like, come and go. And once you're gone, go. Why are you still lingering around? Sister Japan and Sister Japan, as the Japan, and I understand because I've been in Japan since last week, motherfucking Tuesday. Then plane yalenda back to South Africa. Yalenda back to Izolo. So I understand the good Squenzakalan, guys. Why isn't we in Japan? Oh, gooby man, gooby. Gooby for real. Nitsimina, I love you. Namina Nitsi, I love you. Okay, but on a serious note, when am I single? Like for real. Like on the real. There are people I've met in my life that are literally the loves of my life. Like the love of my life. No, the loves of my life. Yes, that makes sense. And I've never met them, but the connection is just insane. Dog. Japan. When are you such a hater? Also, why the fuck are you not answering my phone? I was going through some shit. Mama, gym with style, love your outfit. This was not my gym outfit. My gym outfit got ruined by that trip to Japan. I understand. We understand abandile. Oh, dinege kabi kabi. Kunzima ke, darling. Oh, the worst. If it wasn't for this guy, I love him so much, guys. I love Zama so much. If it wasn't for Zama, I would not have seen what was going on. I love you, Ness, and I appreciate you. I got us food. I'm just waiting for it. I got us food.
Where?
It's healthy today. With la mazimba, I never. Yeah? Okay. So why did you say I must wait? Bang abuser, lah? But it's fine, man. It's shy, man. You lie. Yeah, I was so... But I was so excited, like I was in it, like I was in the flow. That trip to Japan fucked with my flow, Shem. It's natural, mama. Ave kutika kwelolize. Yes, like as much as it's natural, right? I think it's just like like especially also when it happens in front of people. It's just like, did we have to take this trip right now during the people? Like, I don't think we speak about that shit enough. But also, let's destigmatize periods. Oh my god, let's do it. Like, yo, you look happier. I am, baby. I genuinely am. Nomvelo, bahle konke. Come back. Kuhamba ini chomyaka, my friend. Litama, ha? Uyipatile kayo na awiti. Aksawizi. Returning the outie. Nothing is at Japan, babe. I've been in Japan since motherfucking last week Tuesday. I'm so upset. Yo, it's so upsetting. And I think also gym angazi ngathi khuphukisa ama hormones, so yonke into iyarelease nje kuphuma yonke into. It's the craziest thing. Also, no, I can't tell you guys this actually. My besties are here, guys. Like, I got besties today. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm waiting for my brother. You're such a beautiful girl. Thank you. Can you coffee, please? It's not coffee. It's a flu. It's a flu something. Even me, I really love your eyelash. Thank you. I did them from Layla. Okay, well, ngala was probably because I was gymming. I just need to brush them out. But yeah, sorry, brah. Yo, Sana, Jinege. Yo. Where you got the braces customized? Braces customized? Yeah. Since when do we customize braces? Never. Bandile, come on. Yo. Kunento engifuna yone, and like, I'm coming back. Kwenzakalani? Viralan. Like, kwetsalan. Babaza thusi ene umuhle wena wakithi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi auntie, hi baby. I've been on the low, mfana. Ish, call me when you get back so we can link for lunch and catch up, yeah? Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm gonna text you. I've got a new WhatsApp number, so I'll text you on that one. Sangcha. No, Angela, first time I saw you was in 2015. I think it got the campus in Rockville. Lovely soul, good energy, you're a vibe. Oh, Lifipa, thank you. Thank you so much. Like, thank you. Genuinely, thank you. The normal ones don't look like that. They don't? How do your braces look, guys? Bandile. Can't think braces. Never. I can't believe Zama's willing me into waiting for him. Like, it's crazy. Where am I? I'm at the gym. I'm at the gym. Yo. When are you releasing your songs, Sana Sam? You can't wait. Soon. Thank you so much. I really love your song. Thank you. Ngiyakubanda shem. Yes, way now we are waiting for that summer body. I mean, I'm not really gymming for a summer body. I'm just gymming for my mental being. Bandile tiyimini elastics. Angifuni ukumuza nami bandile ukuthi imaphi lawa abawa customizer. DJ Sandra, hello Bhutan. Guys, ngicela manibona uTumelo, ngicela nimtshele ukuthi ngimkhumbulile yazana is my friend. I know that was such a random thought, but I'm just thinking about how much I miss him. I miss my chummy. Literally. Sense a charm, because a charm, you baby. What made you so kind? Because you're literally amazing. What made you kind? I don't think people like choose to be kind. Like it's just, I think it's like something cool is and also like I'm a firm believer of kindness. I don't know. You're a vibe, go to thank you, baby. Thank you so much. My favorites, Colin, love from Botswana. Period. Remember what you said, Mo Fisher Ikanda. What did I say? Good said. I say a whole lot of things at many different stages of my life, but what did I say? Why don't I add Kimelo on the live? Because he's not on the live. Like the. Because he's not on the live. Like you can only add someone like if they replay, if they're watching like the live. I'm not even on my live but yeah, I miss my friends. Halibona Mr. Jazzy Q limpulele ngisho kahle limjwethe khoroto bofuputsi. Thanks. That guy's face looks so familiar. But I mean it closes at 9:30. Like they not like us. They not like us. Guys, the life mentioned. As it's and my lashes are like naturally long. They are they're literally almost this length. They long. With mascara they probably this length. So basically oh, I'm saying maybe, but you're not sour. That's sour. Like a micro piece. You at the gym with such a pen, like, yo, nkakuluma leto when I wabamba ilokuzane indaba late so I'm so upset because wabamba indaba late so. But yes, guys, I'm at the gym. Like, I'm learning to not make excuses. Like when I come to the gym, like just because you're in Japan doesn't mean that you can't gym. But I had like my flight had kind of landed right yesterday, so I thought I was in the open, and I think it's the gym that triggered it. Probably, I think that's what happened. Yeah, but yo.